Welcome to this lesson today on closed questions. So what is a closed question? It's a question that has a yes or no answer. Now, when do we use the present simple be? We use it for things that are the truth. We use it for facts. And when do we use do? We use do for actions. So you say, for the verb be, I am a doctor. To make it a question, we put the am in front of the subject. So instead of I am a doctor, for a question, you say, am I a doctor? Is he 18? Is she happy? Is it in the office? And the answer is yes or no. Are you listening? Yes or no. Are we clerks? Are they hot? So you put the verb in front of the subject to make a question. Now let's look at some actions. Actions: eat, sleep, play, write, read, drive, drink, all actions. Say, do I eat? Does he sleep? Does she play? Does it write? Do you read? Yes or no. Do we drive? Yes or no. Do they drink? Yes or no. And now let's do a little bit of practice. But first let's look at it and say, when do we use do and when do we use be? We use do for actions. So late, is late an action or is it a fact? It's a fact. He have a laptop. Have, we know have is an action. So we're going to use the verb do. I a doctor. Well, that's a fact. It's hot today. It's not an action. Know how to drive. Know is an action. So let's have a look at that. Got a fact, an action, have, and we've got a fact and an action, know. So, are we late? Does he have a laptop? Am I a doctor? Is it late today? Do they know how to drive? See, we use do and does for the actions. Right, let's practice. So we're going to say it noisy. Do we say is or does? Is it noisy? We hot. Is hot an action or is it a fact? It's a fact. So, are we hot? Yes or no? Speak English. Speak is an action. So we're going to use do we speak English? And the answer is yes or no. You do this one. Does she look pretty? And you do this one. Am I at work? Nice. So we're going to see you next time for open questions. These were closed questions. We'll see you next time for open questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe.